In this video, we are going to learn what is movable property. Section 22 of the IPC defines movable property. Let's look at the definition first. The word movable property are intended to include corporeal property of every description except land and things attached to the earth or permanently fastened to anything which is attached to the earth. Let's look at the key words from this definition. One is corporeal property, second is except land, third is things attached to the earth. Let's understand these key phrases one by one. Corporeal property means a property that is perceived by senses. For example, phone, car, papers, etc. Things like idea, feelings are incorporeal. Anyways, now we know that only corporeal properties can be considered movable properties. Also, it is very clear from the definition that land is not a movable property. Now, let's look at the next key phrase in the definition, things attached to the earth. That means if something is attached to the earth, it is not movable property, but if it is detached or severed from the earth, it becomes movable property. For example, standing crop. As long as the crop is attached to the earth, it is not movable property. The moment it is severed from the earth, it becomes movable property. To summarize, any property that you can see and touch and has a physical form and is not attached to the earth is movable property. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to our channel for more educational videos. You can also follow us on Instagram. Thank you.